It is Monday morning. The sun is coming up, but inside Leo's room, everything is quiet. Too quiet. Leo is still sleeping. His alarm clock says 7:45. School starts at 8:30. Suddenly, beep, beep, beep. The alarm goes off.
5 more minutes.
But 5 minutes became 10, and 10 became 15.
Ben, is Leo up yet?
Downstairs, Mom Emma is getting ready for work.
I don't know. Leo! Leo, wake up! It's getting late!
Oh no! Oh no, no, no! It is 7:55!
Leo ran to the bathroom. He washed his face fast. He put on his clothes fast. Everything fast.
Sit down, Leo. Eat something. You have time.
Mom, I can't find my bag. It's not behind the coat rack. Not by the door either. Where is it, Mom?
Leo, it is right here, behind your door.
He put on his sneakers. He looked at the clock on the wall. 8:14. Leo ran to the front window. He looked outside at the street, and then his heart stopped. The yellow school bus was at the end of the street, moving away.
The bus, it's gone. I missed it, Mom. I missed the bus.
It's okay. We will fix this. Ben, can you drive Leo to school?
Yes, of course. Leo, get your bag. Let's go.
It's just one hard morning, Leo. Everyone has hard mornings, okay?
Dad and Leo walked to the driveway. Dad took out his car keys. He sat in the driver's seat. He put the key in and turned it. Nothing. The car made a strange sound and stopped. Dad tried again. He turned the key. The car made the same strange sound. Then silence.
But Dad, I'm already late.
Leo, look at me. The bus, yes, that was because you woke up late. But the car? That is not your fault.
Dad looked up at the sky. Dark clouds were coming. He looked at Leo. Then he made a decision. Leo and Dad started walking.
Walk? But Dad, school is 15 minutes away.
Then we walk 15 minutes. Come on, up you get.
Dad, it's raining!
I can see that, Leo.
Dad, I really am sorry.
For everything.
For waking up late, for the bag, for missing the bus.
Leo, I hear you. And I am not angry, not even a little.
We keep walking. Dad, it's Lily! I missed the bus, and the car won't start. We are walking, in the rain. Of course, I'm your sister. That is my job.
Lily's coming to get us.
She said she will talk to my teacher. She said it is her job because she is my sister.
She is a good sister.
He started looking around. The street was actually beautiful in the rain. Puddles everywhere, birds sitting quietly under trees. Now it is time to practice your English. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Now say it with me. I am late. I missed the bus. The car will not start. We can walk together. I am sorry. It is my fault. Great job. Now let us continue the story.
Dad, I can see it! The school! We are almost there!
Yes, Leo.
Yellow light
We
was
made it.
coming from inside. Leo stopped walking for just 1 second. He looked up at Dad. Dad was wet. His light blue shirt was damp. His hair was flat from the rain. Standing in the doorway was Lily. Leo laughed again. Lily put her arm around his shoulder and walked him inside. Dad stood at the bottom of
Have a great day, Leo. I love you.
I love you too, Dad!
His teacher looked up from her desk. She smiled warmly at Leo. The whole class looked at Leo. Some children smiled, some nodded. The teacher stood up and walked to Leo. She put her hand gently on his shoulder and said, "That is not a bad morning, Leo. That is a brave morning."
It was actually a
Leo
pretty good
sat
morning.
down at his desk. He opened his school bag. Everything was inside. His books, his pencils, his lunchbox, everything he needed. He thought about the morning, the alarm, the bag, the bus, the car, the rain, the walk, Dad's smile, Lily at the door. And maybe it really was. Now let us look at today's words. Listen carefully. Late, miss, hurry, problem, start, arrive, on time, umbrella, together, fault. Great job today. You listened, you repeated, you spoke English. Now here is your question for today. Have you ever missed the bus or been late for school? What did you do? Write your answer in the comments below. We want to read your story. See you in the next Bright Family English story. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep growing.